Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration that is called Favorite Halloween Treats, where we will be showing you all in a playlist some of our favorite Halloween treats. For me, I know for sure that I love making these treats on a daily each year for my kiddos, whether it's in their lunch, whether it's to send with them for their classrooms, if they have parties or things. But let's just stop there. This video is hosted by Wanda over from Miss Amaechi, and I am the co-host, Sierra. So we're gonna give you guys a playlist full of our favorite treats, and you all can definitely run to the grocery store today or this weekend and get these items. So join me as I show you guys a couple of great Halloween treats that you all can send in, you can make, or you can just do around the house for fun. So if you guys buy a pack of cheese sticks, you can easily buy these, get a Sharpie, and let me just show you how to make some ghost cheese sticks. So here we have it, some Halloween ghost pieces of string cheese. This will make a great snack to send in with your kiddos on Monday. So, two easily styled pumpkins that you guys can use using the mandarin oranges. The kiddos would definitely love this if they're having a Halloween party, but this is one of our favorite things to put in our lunches. This is how you make a Halloween worms in dirt cup that can simply be sent to school and have as a treat, or you can bring them in. 3 simple ingredients, 3 simple things. For this project, you will need bat wings. So just take a simple piece of paper and color black bat wings for your bat. You also will need some eyes. You guys can more than definitely use googly eyes. I just drew mine. So let's make a bat. So take the tape and you're going to stick it on the back. There is your one wing. Put some tape on the back of your other wing. Stick that on. So there you have it. You can actually move this up so that they can match each other. And there's the back of the bat. Take some tape and put together this for the one eye. And just a little bit more tape for the other eye. And you can easily draw on the mouth for the bat, just like that. So this is plain and simple. You can do this yourself. I think that I probably should have used googly eyes, but I don't have those on me. You would think that as a teacher I did, I don't. So here it is, our bat brownie. So you're going to need cookie cutters and Halloween themed, and then you also need 4 tortillas. You can use more than 4 tortillas if you would like to. Try to keep them as close together so that you use the most out of the tortilla. Push down, peel them out, and go ahead and have your pan ready, and go ahead and have your oven on as well. So I am just gently peeling some of them, but make sure you push all the way down so that they definitely peel. So I am doing ghost, and I'm also doing pumpkins. So spray your pan with some baking spray, just lightly spray it. Go ahead and put these on the pan and arrange them however you would like to. These will go into the oven on 350 for roughly 5 to 6 minutes. What you want to do after you line them all up is spray it with some olive oil. So I found this at Whole Foods. This is just some extra virgin olive oil. I sprayed it lightly on top of the tortillas, and then I'm just going to gently sprinkle some salt onto these tortillas before they get ready to go into the oven. They definitely came out nice and crispy after the 5 to 6 minutes, and they were really delicious. You can top these with a soup or a salsa. So let's make some ghost fruit skewers. You're going to need strawberries that have the tops cut off. You're going to need skewer sticks. You're also going to need marshmallows and grapes. First, I started off by putting the grape towards the bottom because I didn't know how far I needed to go down. I'm then going to add one of my strawberries that have the top sliced off and add that next. I'm going to add another grape to our skewer stick, and it's going to go down just like this. Then I need to add on my marshmallow, and I'll top it off with another grape. One thing about this is you're going to push it up to the top. And as far as what to write with, I ended up getting this writing gel black pack right here that I simply just drew a ghost face on to the fruit, and there we have it. I'd like to say thank you all for watching my Halloween treat video. I hope that you all enjoyed the ideas that I wanted to share with you and that I did share with you all. I hope that you all check out the playlist, which is linked in my description box down below, as well as Wanda's channel, so that you all can head over and click that subscribe button and become one of her subscribers and stick around to see what great content she has over on her channel, as she is a grandmother of 4 boys. So check out that playlist linked in my description box down below.